Welcome to our channel Learn Max Reasonable. In this video, we are going to discuss about Euclid division algorithm. Before getting into the video, subscribe my channel. Okay, we have already seen about Euclid division lemma in previous part of the videos. Today we are going to discuss about generalized form of Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm. In lemma, we have seen A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B, and it only consists of positive integers. But in generalized form, we can take negative integers also, which means A and B are two integers. Then there exists unique integer Q and R such that A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than modulus B. Here we take modulus. Within this modulus, we can put both positive and negative numbers. If we write positive 1 within the modulus, then the answer will be 1. If we put minus 1, then the answer will be 1. Yes. If we put minus 1, it will be 1. Then minus 2, it will be 2. So the modulus makes the negative into positive. This is generalized form of Euclid division lemma. Now let's move on to Euclid division algorithm. Algorithm means a step-by-step process. Yes, for Euclid division lemma, this algorithm is the basic. If A and B are positive integers such that A equal to BQ plus R, then every common divisor of A and B is a common divisor of B and R and vice versa. What's this? I think it's confusing, right? How it will be possible? A and B common divisor of B and R and it continues? Okay, let's see with an example. I explain with you a step-by-step process because algorithm is a step-by-step process. We follow the step 1 as Euclid division lemma, where it should be R less than B. If R equal to 0, then we get A is equal to BQ and we stop the Euclid division lemma. But in this algorithm, we should continue to get R is equal to 0 and we have to find the highest common factor of A and B is B and R and vice versa. We have to satisfy this. How? Let's go on to step 2. In step 2, we have to follow the Euclid division lemma method to get R is equal to 0. We should continue to get remainder is equal to 0. So, we take B is equal to RQ1 plus R1 where 0 less than or equal to R1 less than R. This will be continued like R1, R2, Q1, Q2 like this. Still you can't understand this concept, I know. Let's see with this an example. We have to find highest common factor of 144. Now we should divide this. We take A is equal to 100 and 44 is equal to B. So A is equal to BQ plus R will be changed into B is equal to RQ1 plus R1. How? Let me explain with this method. Okay, we take a dividend 100 and divisor as 4. Then we get quotient and remainder, where we take this remainder and quotient for another process. In the second process, we take the remainder 12 as divisor and B equal to 44. No, that 44 will be taken as dividend. Then it will be divided like this. Still we getting R is equal to 8. So we have to continue the another process. In step 3 process, the dividend is 12 and divisor is 8. Similarly, we have to continue up to when we get R is equal to 0. Here we get the result R is equal to 0, where 8 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. We get remainder is 0. So this is the last method in algorithm. we got 0. So GCD is 4. Okay, now we have find the HCF for 2 numbers. If it is 3 numbers, what will be the methods? Let's we discuss in another video. Subscribe my channel for getting more videos. Like and share with others.